teacher and everyone. I am here today to present about environmental issue, global warming and climate change.
Can you say that again? Global warming.
Global warming and climate change.
Good. Very good.
Does everyone know about global warming and climate change mean?
Catherine, do you have any idea about global warming and climate change?
Let's just put it simple. When we say global warming, that is the rise of global temperature. While climate change refers to change in weather patterns, which includes wind, precipitation, and temperature.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that what are you going to present us today?
Yes, it's a part of my presentation.
Very good. Keep going.
So let me begin with the outline. I have 8 main points. First, definition. Second, global warming and climate change are not interchangeable terms. Third, causes. Fourth, effects. Fifth, mitigation measures. Sixth, prevention. 7, conclusion. And the last one is recommendations.
Okay, can you say that again? Prevention.
Prevention.
Very good. Keep going.
Next, let's move on to definition of global warming. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's surface due to human activities. It is primarily caused by the burning of fossil fuels that pump carbon dioxide, methane, which increases heat trapping greenhouse.
All right, very good. Can you say that again? Methane.
Methane.
Very good. Keep going.
Next, let me tell you about definition of climate change.
Can you repeat that again? Climate change.
Climate change. Climate change is the global phenomenon of climate transformation characterized by the changes in the usual climate of the planet regarding temperature, precipitation, and wind.
Can you say that again? Phenomenon.
Phenomenon.
Very good.
Continue.
Yes?
Yes. Which are especially caused by human activity as a result of unbalancing the weather of Earth. Unbalancing. Alright, that's all of definition of global warming and climate change. Now let me move on to the next point. So many people think global warming and climate change are the same, but in fact, global warming and climate change are not interchangeable terms. So let me explain to you. Global warming refers to the rise in global temperatures due to the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, while climate change refers to the increasing changes in the measures of climate over a long periods of time, including precipitation, temperatures, and wind patterns. In short, global warming causes climate to change. Climate change is the consequence effect of the global warming.
Very good. Say that again.
In short, global warming causes climate to change. Climate change is the consequent effect of the global warming.
Excellent.
Next, let me move on to causes of global warming and climate change. So let me start with the global warming. The causes of global warming include burning of fossil fuels, deforestation and tree clearing, agriculture and farming. While the causes of climate change include rapid industrialization, pollution, deforestation and tree clearing, and transport. So that's all for the causes of global warming and climate change. Next, let me move to the effect of global warming and climate change.
Can you say that again? Climate change.
Climate change. Global warming can cause adverse impacts, including climate change and its consequent effects, such as more intense heat waves, rising temperatures, melting glacier and ice sheets, loss of sea ice, rising sea level, unpredictable weather patterns, natural disasters, loss of biodiversity, and land degradation.
Can you say that again? Land degradation.
Land degradation.
Excellent.
Now I'm gonna tell you about mitigation measures of global warming and climate change. The first one is reducing greenhouse gas emission and enhancing greenhouse gas sink strength. Second is reducing the amount of electricity generated from coal and gas. The third is plant more trees through reforestation and afforestation. And the last one is use of different stock feeds can help to reduce farming's contribution to global warming and climate change.
Very good. Can you say that again? Amount.
Amount.
Coal.
Coal.
Very good.
Reducing the amount of electricity generated from coal and gas.
Very good. Can you say that again? Contribution.
Contribution.
Very good. Keep going.
Now I'm going to tell you how to prevent global warming and climate change. The first is to reduce the demand of fossil fuels, especially coal. Implement the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Choose reusable products instead of disposable. Replace regular light bulbs with compact fluorescent light bulbs. Plant more and more trees as they absorb carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. Turn off light and electrical appliances, electrical devices when not in use. Conserve water. Save and minimize energies. Walk and travel green.
All right. Very good. So can you say that again? Replace.
Replace.
Regular.
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 Good. And another one is absorb.
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 Very good. Anything else, Kathleen?
I think it's supposed to be minimize instead of maximize energy. Second from the last.
Okay. The second from the last, I think you misspelled. Instead of maximize, it should be minimize, right? Okay, you can fix it later. Okay.
Minimize energy.
Very good.
Thank you very much, teacher, for your comments. So now I am almost done my presentation.
With my presentation.
With my presentation.
Very good.
Now let me move on to the conclusion. Global warming is rising of the Earth's average surface temperatures due to the high concentrations of greenhouse gases gases in the Earth's atmosphere. Global warming and climate change are not interchangeable terms. Global warming causes climate to change. Global warming and climate change can use several impacts, including changing weather patterns and frequent occurrence of natural disasters.
Okay. Can you say that again? Frequent
Frequent
occurrence.
occurrence.
Good.
Frequent occurrence.
Occurrence. Very good. Keep going.
Alright, everyone, let me finish my presentation with recommendations. Reduce the use of fossil fuels and promote renewable energy. Reduce deforestation. Stop cutting trees and plant more trees. Reduce waste by implement 3Rs. Save and minimize energies. Walk and travel green. Conserve water. So that's all my presentation. It said plan to protect air and water, wilderness and wilderness and wildlife are in fact planned to protect men. Thank you very much for your attention.
Good job. Thank you very much. All right, Nanthaya, thank you very much for your informative and inspiring presentation. We were very inspired with your presentation. Okay, does anyone here in the class have any questions for Nanthaya? How about you, Kathleen?
Okay, thanks so much. Can you further explain to us what travel green means?
I think travel green means we use bicycle instead motorbike or car to travel.
Very good, very good, very good. Let me have another question for you.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
So, what do you think to raise public awareness of environmental pollution or global warming and climate change? What should we or where should we start from?
I think we should start from our
From ourselves.
ourselves.
Okay,
Yes,
from ourselves.
from ourselves.
Can you clarify that for us?
Yes. For example, we use the 3Rs, so reduce and recycle the waste. And for the electricity, we turn off when we not in use.
When they are not in use.
When they are not in use, it is save energy.
It is to save energy.
It is to save energy. And for water, it's the same. If it's not in use, we should turn off the tap.
All right, Nanthaya, thank you very much for your answer. Congratulations, you are done.